Hello children, good day everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. I am Shraddha teacher. Today we are going to see subject EVS, chapter number 14, National Festivals, page number 61 and 62. So let's start. So children, do you know national festivals are celebrated by whole country together? Yes, we love our country. India is our country and we love our country. So our country has three national festivals. So three national festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Yes, and now we will read our lesson, which is chapter number 14, National Festival, and we will see about these festivals. We also celebrate national festivals. Our national festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day is celebrated on the 15th of August every year. On this day, in 1947, India became independent, that is, we got freedom from the British rule. So children, when we celebrated Independence Day, it's celebrated on 15th of August every year. So India became independent, that is, we got freedom from British rule in the year 1947. Means we got free from British rule in the year 1947. On this day, the national flag is hoisted and the national anthem is sung in every neighborhood. The Prime Minister hoists our national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. Flag hoisting and march parts are held in all schools. Okay. So children, national anthem of India is played or sung on various occasions, but especially when the national flag is hoisted and the national anthem is sung by every people who gather therein occasion, and the Prime Minister hoists a national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi, and a parade is procession of children or people arranged in order along a street. Yes. Now we will see Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on the 26th of January every year. There is a grand parade of the armed forces, police and school children on Rajpath in New Delhi. The President of India takes the salute. Folk dancers from different states of India also take part in this colorful event. National Bravery Award is given to children below 16 years of age for their outstanding deeds. So children, Republic Day is celebrated on the 26th of January every year. So there is a grand parade, and parade by armed forces, police and school children are held in different parts of the country, and the grand and the most important of this parade is seen the Rajpath in New Delhi, and the President of India takes the salute. And The folk dances is a dance developed by people that reflect the life of the people and the certain country or religion. It is also as classical known as classical dance, where every state perform and they show the life of the people of their religion. Now, and the National Bravery Award, these awards are a set of awards given annually to children below 16 years of age. The awards are given by the Government of India for their outstanding deeds. The government gives these awards every year to recognize the exceptional achievements of children in various fields. Now we will see Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti falls on the 2nd of October every year. It is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. On this day, prayer meetings are held at his Samadhi at Rajghat, New Delhi. So, Gandhi Jayanti we celebrated on 2nd October every year. So, it is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. The father we also known as his name as the father of nation. Okay, and Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi ji at Rajghat. So, leader of the nation gather together and offer bouquet, and there is a small prayer to remember Mahatma Gandhi ji on this day at Rajghat. So children, I hope you understood today's topic. Please subscribe our channel, like and share. Thank you.